IBS Gurgaon is the top-notch management institute that promotes the highest order of academic rigor coupled with skills required by the corporate in a fast-changing world. Since its inception in 1995, IBS has been one of the best B schools in the country, providing excellent academic delivery. The course curriculum at IBS Gurgaon is designed to solving processes through extensive use of participative methods including case studies, problem-based learning and action learning. IBS Gurgaon offers 2-year MBA PGPM programs.
I'm very happy to share with you that IBS is one of the finest business schools in the country. It has been in the field of management education since 1995, and in fact, it has redefined the management education. It has brought the management education very close to the needs of the industry, and our unique selling point is that we are one of the most sought after colleges by the industry.
IBS Gurgaon offers exemplary infrastructure to its students with web-enabled classrooms, computer labs, specialized language labs, comprehensive library and a very happening cafeteria.
So after a long and hectic day, this is the place where everyone comes out, and this is the place of fun at IBS Gurgaon. So we have outdoor games, that is volleyball, badminton, basketball and cricket, and indoor games such as table tennis.
And apart from these activities, we have Student Council, which offers different type of activities on Fridays, and they range from academics to your fun frolic activities, which include your fashion, your dance, music and Nukkad Natak as well.
Our teachers have played a vital role in strengthening the foundation of every student at IBS. Innovative learning and teaching methods have developed a skill that has played a major role in the success of each and every student present here. My batchmates have contributed tremendously and have taught me how to work in a group.
Another USP of IBS Gurgaon is its 100% placements record.
At IBS Gurgaon, we have a placement cell where we have more than 15 managers, including back office people working round the clock, centrally controlled by IBS Hyderabad. Our last year average was 5.5, and the highest package was being given by Hero Financial Corporation, which was 14 lakhs. And we do international placements also.
The students at IBS come from diverse cultural and academic background, which is a prime requirement in any managerial role.
IBS emphasizes a lot on case method of learning, which is a very active and student-centric approach to teaching. Here, we expose the students to very carefully selected cases, incidents and problems, and expect them to gather relevant information, make their own assumptions, inferences, and work in teams to arrive at the solution.
The IBS campus life is full of excitement, knowledge, and is an excellent platform to plan for a lucrative future in the corporate world. IBS Gurgaon is centrally located in the Millennium City of Gurgaon and is well connected with road, rail and air.